What's up? It's Mikael here. It's been a long time since my last upload. I'm back. Just wanted to talk about the my experience, what I've been doing for the past 1 month. I was in Germany. Now I'm back. I did some editing. I recorded my new video. It's out. I've been working on Vault for 1 week. You're gonna see some time lapses. Maybe you have seen it. Yeah, it's been a long time. About Vault though, it was so freaking hard. For 1 week, I was burning my ass off working on this bicycle. Literally, it felt so great when I finished it finally. One of the best feelings I had ever felt in my life. And I made good money, I will tell you that. I made like 500 euros for a week. I was doing them on the rented bike. It's called MOL Movie. So basically, you rent it, you get a subscription, and then you can have it for 30 minutes for free. So every single 25 minutes I had to stop at the station, restart the rental. So every single 25 minutes I had to do that. And sometimes the orders messed up. They literally deducted it from my salary. Basically how it works, I can literally go work at any time, at any moment, whenever I want to. I can literally just open the app and just hop in, like start working immediately like this. That's one of the great reasons to work on Vault. Now I actually understand what it takes to deliver food to someone. It's a very hard process, I will tell you that. So now I'm very grateful for having food when it's delivered to my door, because now like you can understand, God put me in the person's place. He showed me how it works, which I saw. It's very terrible. You're literally in the middle of the night, you need to work so you can make 3 times more the money that you make during the daytime. But sometimes during the daytime you could get bonuses, which are really good in my opinion, and was comfortable. But the thing is, I worked freaking 12 hours a day. 12 hours. As soon as I woke up, I got dressed, straight out of the door, on my bicycle and working. And then I just had like 20-minute breaks in between, like 4 hours, 5 hours, just to eat, to refill, because I burned so freaking much calories that it's insane. I'll put it up on the screen. The way I could track how much calories I burned or how many kilometers, I might have literally cycled for 300, 500 kilometers maybe, I don't know. The statistics show, yeah, that it's been like at least 100 kilometers. The way I can track everything is with this bracelet. Maybe you have seen it, celebrities wear, like Ronaldo. And yeah, I got it for 1 month free trial and then just use it. So if you want to get 1 month free trial for yourself, it's completely for free. All costs are covered. You just need to pay for the shipping. It's like 10 euros if you're living in Europe. You just need to pay for the shipping. As soon as you get it, as soon as shipped, your trial starts and you can use it for 1 month for free and then see if it's good fit for you or not. I will leave the link in the description below. So yeah, go check it out. You won't believe how comfortable it is. I don't even feel it on my arm. I sometimes forget to take it off. I haven't even taken it off since I got it. I straight up go shower with it. Yeah. So working there is very hard. Working there is really hard, I'll tell you. So after my 12 hours of shift, I went back home and I slept. So basically I woke up at 5 p.m. and then I went back to sleep at like 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. and then repeat every single day the same thing. The cycle just kept going, kept going. When the orders messed up, I literally lost 3 hours on it because I tried to deliver the cold food to the customer and they said they reject it, they don't want it. So I had free food, but my salary was deducted, and that's the bad. I'm gonna start on my software game next year from 2025. At the moment I'm recording, it's Tuesday, 31st December. Yeah. So when I will make sure that happens, I will record everything on my YouTube channel. I'll share what all insights. I'm not gonna hide anything. It's just clean. By the way, if you wanna make 2025 very useful and a life-changing year, you can check the link in the description below. It's a Notion template I made for you guys. It's completely free, zero charges. I could have charged you so much for that, but it's for free completely. I have worked on it for 2 months. So yeah, just enter, type in your goals, use it for yourself, just edit the template to yourself, and just take action. And that thing literally changed my life. I will tell you this year alone, the things that I have set for myself, I have all of them I have achieved. Most of them, mainly speaking, they're like 2 goals I couldn't achieve, but it's okay. But most of the goals, most of the achievements I set for myself, I have achieved it this year. I'm about to achieve the others in 2025, 2026. So every year, it's at the end of the year, it's good to set up your. You can't go to the destination you don't know without a map. So that is your map. Click the link and have the template for yourself. And yeah, I remember talking in the last video and my last upload. I went to MHB Bank. They rejected me. They said, no, your age doesn't match you. You're 17. You're not 18. You're not even a Hungarian from Azerbaijan. And yeah, that felt bad. But I have some friends, connections, and I could open Stripe account. Now, the only thing left is for the holidays to go off and start working. Solar panel businesses will target them. I have big hopes for the next year because I know it will be a great year and I'll be able to crush it. I'll go to different places. I'll travel in the Q1, the beginning. I'll record everything and upload on my next videos, next vlogs. One of the great things you can do is to clean up your room. It's so simple, but it is so freaking good. Like the amount of time you're gonna save up to yourself, you will feel so freaking great when you sit down to work because you have that environment, working environment, and it's comfortable. Like literally, you feel so great sitting in the environment that is clean and organized. I'm lucky to have this because I was raised like this. My dad literally every single day he was pushing me to clean up after myself. What I have done to reverse it basically. If I took something to put it back into its place, and that has helped me so much so far. Here's my room. So I got things here. This Porsche, it was a gift. It's clean. It's very aesthetic. Got this from my Rolex. When I went to check on my Rolex, they just gave me free chocolate and this and the Batman mask. Don't mind these things. It's just for decoration. Use it for yourself. If your room is dirty or not organized, just organize it. You'll see how much effect it has on your focus, on your working. Basically, it's cheat code. So yeah. So this work thing is just for 1 week. It's been 3 days now. It's my third night working. So far, I've made good amount, but like it's really very little because I only start breaking to profit because I need to pay the rent for the account. Oh, I got an order. I gotta go. Day 3. Let's go. It's cold. Just trying to make some income, Maybe, I don't know, make some cash around in Hungary. It's like, for my age, that's not even like, yeah, for my age, that's the only best thing right now. Just to explore the city, really. And yeah, I'll be looking back at this from 5 years on, at the way I made it out. From delivering Volt deliveries to becoming financially timely and locationally free. As I always say, you give what you give. You just gotta work for it, and God will give. And I really have been trying to work for this job for a long time because it doesn't match my age, but I still made it possible. And yeah, it's 3 a.m. in the night. I'm working the entire night just to make the double income, and I hope to God everything will be perfect from point on. It will be great. It will be awesome. From now on, good things are about to come. And also, don't lose hope. Keep doing what you're doing. Don't give up. That's my advice for today. Hey guys, so I'm back. It's 4 a.m. in the morning. I don't know how many deliveries I did. Probably like 20 or something, like 30. Yeah, my legs are on fire, burning. God damn. I got like every single time I was a really bad cramp. Really burning my thighs down. Oh my. Basically, this is the review of the work I had to do. And this has been 6 days. Today is the last day. And the 7th day is gonna be from 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. I'm working for 14 hours now. I'll tell you, it went smoothly. It went very smoothly. I liked it. Very chill, very calm, very comfortable. Rated 8 out of 10. Total experience. I'll get back at you. See you. Hey guys, what's up again? So I'm doing deliveries out right now, and this is my last night. That's gonna be it for this video. It's just a vlog caption what I've been doing for the past 2 months since my last upload. I see you in the next video. Peace out.